Let's go ahead and open the driver's side door. Now right there where the driver's left foot would go, there's a primary hood release lever. So pull that. Now in front of the vehicle, right there on the center, that's where the secondary release lever is. You see how I gotta push it to the left? So push it left with one finger and then lift it up. Now the hood itself is supported by that support rod over there. So that helps. See that? See how it just goes up? Just go up by itself, it's gonna stay in place. Now once the hood is open, right there, the black box, that's where the engine air filter is. Now this box is held in place by two clips over there. One's over there and the second there. Let's undo them, one, and there's the second one. Now that should get the cover loose, but it won't just pop up because it's held in place by two hinges. Let's take a closer look at it over there. See that over there? I'm going to give you a zoomed in look so show you exactly how to get it out. You gotta slide it out of there, just like that. Right? Just gotta slide the hinge off, and that's it. And there's one on the other side too. Right there, behind the windshield washer fluid container, right there. Yeah, that's the second one, and get that off. Once you get both the hinges off, the cover just lifts off easily and gives you more than enough space to get the engine air filter out. You can easily get the filter out now. Now let's take a closer look at it. See, air comes from the bottom, it gets filtered, and then clean air goes into the engine from the top. Right, so this is a new filter, so that's why it looks clean. But yeah, that's how it works. So go ahead, get the new filter. Let's put that into the air box. Now the air filter should be the exact size of the air box there. It should fit snug. It should just fit right in. Yep, that's looking good. Now let's put the cover back in. Again, first we need to put those hinges back in place. So the first hinge, it just slides in. So like that. Get it in their position and then push it to slide it in. One. Do the same thing for the second one on the other side. Yeah, slides in. And that's good. Once it does, now you can easily just put the clips back on. If the hinge is not in properly, then you will not be able to put the clips back on, right? So just be patient, put those hinges in, and then put the clips back on one at a time. And that's pretty much it. That's looking good. See how easy it was? You change the air filter in just 2 minutes. If you can't reach all the way to the top, just pull it down from the side. Pull it down. Again, you have to apply some pressure because that support rod is sort of pushing it up. So get it like that and then push it down to slam it shut.